Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you to meet my good friend Ji Lin and giving you a look at what a typical day is like for a TV commercial director. He runs Timeline Studio, a company that focuses on producing film and television commercials. And yes, everything you're about to see is the kind of work they create. His schedule is packed from morning to night. He spends time brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and sketching storyboards in his notebook. He's constantly talking with clients and taking notes on his phone. Once filming begins, he's coordinating with actors, cinematographers, and the lighting crew, while carrying a tablet to capture ideas whenever inspiration strikes. And when it's finally time to review the finished footage, he's often using a phone, tablet, computer, and even a TV all at the same time. But today, we're going to try something different. I'm giving him just one device, the Huawei Pura X Max, and seeing if it can handle everything he needs throughout an entire workday.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
For a director, supervising the shoot is only part of the job. The real challenge usually happens long before the cameras start rolling. Writing scripts, planning every scene, creating storyboards, and discussing ideas with clients take an incredible amount of time and mental energy. A detailed storyboard is one of the most important communication tools on set. It helps actors, camera operators, lighting technicians, and production assistants clearly understand every planned shot. To make sure everyone shares the same vision, nearly every storyboard frame is supported with accurate visual references. Back when I created storyboards myself, the process could be extremely time-consuming. I had to search everywhere for suitable reference images. If I couldn't find what I needed, I'd open my tablet to sketch rough concepts or rely on AI image generation tools. It worked, but it wasn't always efficient. Now things are much simpler with the Huawei Pura X Max. Once unfolded, it transforms into a spacious 7.7-inch tablet-like display. Using the stylus, I can quickly draw a few rough lines directly in my notes, and the built-in AI helps turn those simple sketches into detailed visual concepts. It's a much faster and more intuitive workflow than hunting for reference images. Let me show you what's normally inside my camera bag. These are all the tools I usually carry to every shoot. But now, this large foldable device has made life much easier. Every storyboard is stored digitally, so if I need to find a particular scene, I just scroll through everything on the large display. It's far cleaner, faster, and more organized than digging through stacks of printed pages. Whenever changes are needed, I can simply grab the stylus and make notes or adjustments directly on the storyboard. It streamlines my gear and removes a lot of unnecessary distractions. On a professional film set, every minute matters, so staying focused is essential. For many outdoor shoots, carrying bulky monitors, rails, and tripods isn't always the most practical choice. Instead, I can work with just a camera, a gimbal, and add extra lighting only when it's actually needed. Even a reflector can often provide excellent results. With the Huawei Pura X Max unfolded, I can connect it to Wi-Fi and use it as a real-time monitoring display. One thing that really stands out is the screen brightness. In our testing, the inner display reached more than 1,600 nits of full-screen brightness. Even under bright outdoor sunlight, visibility is significantly better than a standard LCD display. Being able to clearly see every detail on location helps prevent a lot of unnecessary work during post-production. Before post-production officially begins, I always review all the recorded footage. On newer projects, I usually handle DIT directly on location and then sync the preview files straight to my phone. That's one of the biggest advantages of working within Huawei's full device ecosystem.
That said, the Huawei Pura X Max, powered by the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset and running HarmonyOS 6.1, has no trouble handling rough video edits. A big part of that experience comes from the editing software itself. The interface has been carefully optimized for the 7.7-inch inner display. On the left, you get a vertical preview window, while the right side provides plenty of room for your timeline and editing controls. Multiple tracks fit comfortably on the screen, making it much easier to manage pacing, shot sequencing, and transitions. The overall editing experience feels much closer to working on a computer. So as long as the client approves the edit, the editor can confidently continue the workflow without any issues. At Timeline Studio, reviewing a project doesn't stop with just a computer monitor or a TV. Every video is also checked on devices with different screen sizes, including smartphones and tablets, to make sure the final result delivers a consistent viewing experience everywhere. This is where the Huawei Pura X Max really shines. Since it functions as both a phone and a tablet, it covers both review scenarios in a single device. Whether you're checking footage in portrait or landscape mode, or viewing content in a 3.4 or 16.9 aspect ratio, the display offers excellent visibility and impressive clarity. The viewing area is genuinely expansive. During our lab testing, we also found that the color consistency between the inner and outer displays is outstanding. Both screens deliver highly accurate default color calibration. Across 120 test colors in both the sRGB and P3 color spaces, the delta E value stays around 1, which is remarkably close to professional monitor standards. For viewing video content, that's exactly what you want. For content creators, inspiration usually doesn't appear while sitting at a desk. More often it comes during those small moments throughout the day, while commuting, waiting for someone, or relaxing with a coffee or a cup of milk tea. Whenever I have some free time, I enjoy watching other creators' videos to learn how they approach filming, experiment with different camera angles, and discover fresh storytelling techniques and visual styles. Lately, I've also been spending a lot of time exploring how AI can become a meaningful part of our video production workflow. That's why the Huawei Pura X Max, with its dual screen design and large foldable display, was never meant to be just another interesting foldable gadget. It was clearly designed with content in mind, offering real value for both people who enjoy watching content and those who create it. So, Director, would you say the challenge of relying on just one device for an entire day was a success? For directors, the Huawei Pura X Max isn't simply about having a bigger screen. It's about bringing together tasks that were once spread across a smartphone, tablet, e-reader, and even parts of a computer into one powerful device. In many ways, the Pura X Max feels like a director's own Doraemon pocket, except this pocket has an incredible amount of space. And that's it for today's look at Huawei's large foldable device. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, add it to your favorites, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.